Hi everyone! Today, I will demonstrate how to add money to your HDFC Global investment account. Go to the HDFC Securities Global Investing website at www.hdfsec.com/globalinvesting. Click on the Login button in the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password and click on Login. Once you're logged in, click on the Fund My Account tab. You will get the pop-up window right side of the window. Please enter the amount of money you want to add and select the Add New Bank Account option. Since you have already added the bank account, you can simply select it from the list of existing accounts. Once you have selected the bank account, you will see the beneficiary details you need to add. Enter these details into your HDFC bank account to add the beneficiary. Log in into your HDFC net banking account. Click on Funds Transfer Request. Add a beneficiary remit no-fill in the following columns with the details mentioned. You can simply copy and paste this information into your HDFC Global investment account. After filling all details, read out the terms and conditions and click on Continue. You will receive an OTP for verification. After you enter the OTP, the beneficiary will be activated within 30 minutes. Once the beneficiary is activated, you can transfer funds to them. After you receive the confirmation message from the bank, log in to your HDFC net banking account and go to Funds Transfer Remit Now. Select your band account and select the newly added beneficiary to automatically fill in all the beneficiary details. Enter the transfer amount. Select SWIFT wire transfer. Select Indian Portfolio Investment Abroad in Equities as the source of funds if you are getting a loan. Select borrowing or own funds. Read the conditions under the capital account transactions. Select correspondent bank charges to be borne by self. Copy and pass the beneficiary account number. Read and accept the terms and condition. Press Continue. Please review all transaction details again. Click Confirm to complete the OTP verification process. Your USD transaction has been successfully submitted. Your deposit will be added to your global trading account within 24 hours. Please copy the reference number and paste it into the next step to complete the transaction process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.